Hello and welcome back to my channel, you beautiful spark beings. If you're new to my channel, I'm Keisha and I talk about topics of manifestation. I do meditations on the channel and hopefully things that really relate and resonate with the heart, like talking to angels and to tapping into your divinity, going inside yourself and tapping into that divine space within. Today, we're going to be demystifying the law of attraction and also manifestation. Just the basics for those of you that are beginners. But first, show reel. Nataka kusema kwa hari kwa sababu nitarudi Marekani mwezi huu.
Anasema mmemsikia? Kwamba anataka
Kwa hari.
mwambie bye. Mwambie
Hi, welcome back. Okay, now the basics. Let's first define the difference between manifestation and law of attraction. Manifestation is the process of trying to bring something into your immediate reality, right? So it's really about going inward to the third eye. You're visualizing something and you're trying to bring it forward into your actual reality. So this is something of, this is the process that you follow to bring what you want and what you desire into your life. And law of attraction is a law that says that anything you focus on, you bring into your life. So like meets like. You attract what you are. So let me delve a little bit deeper into that. And I'm going to get a little scientific with you today. So there was an experiment years ago, and I don't have the specific name of that experiment, but when I find it, I can actually put it into the show notes. And essentially, the experiment revealed to scientists that at the atomic level, we are just mostly energy. There were a few particles in that atom and they were bouncing very quickly off of one another, but 99.9999% of that atom was mostly space. And that was surprising to the scientists. And so the reason I'm telling you this is because at our basic level, we are made up of atoms. Actually, all of matter in our world is made up of atoms. It's the basic building block of life, so to speak. And if an atom at its core is vibration, then guess what? We're vibration at our core as well. And so we appear solid, but really we're a bunch of little things, little particles bouncing off of one another very quickly to make us appear solid. The reason why this is important in understanding the law of attraction is because we are vibration. So therefore, the vibration, the frequency that you're transmitting into the universe is equal to the things that you are attracting to yourself. So if your vibration is equivalent to another day, another dollar, I have to get out of bed, I don't want to do this, I hate so-and-so, blah, 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 then what you're going to see in your life experience will be equivalent to that life vibration. So you have to really take care and understand the thoughts that you're thinking, and you have to take care to understand how you're consuming energy. So who are the people that you have around you? What are the experiences that you care to partake in? What are some of the television shows that you're watching? Are they raising your vibration? Are they lowering your vibration? Are your friends uplifting you or are they criticizing you? These are things that impact your signature vibe. And so it's all about understanding what you're consuming, what you're bringing forward, and then understanding what you're transmitting out. So we are basically vibrational antennas and receivers, if you will. So we are sending out a frequency, but think about a pebble. A pebble falls into the water and it ripples out. But what people mostly don't understand is that every vibration returns to its source. What that means for you is everything that you transmit out there, whether it's a good or bad energy, you're co-creating either way. But if you're putting out negative energy, it's going to ripple out there toward that person that you wish ill intent for. And then guess what? Eventually, it's going to return to you because you're its source. Okay, so be really mindful of what you're thinking, of what you're spewing, what intentions and thoughts and words that you're saying. So it's really important to understand that law of attraction is essentially a mechanism that states definitively the way that you will manifest into your life. And so it's really important to understand the distinction and to understand how they work together. So then let's talk about manifesting on purpose. Okay, there are several tools that you can utilize to manifest on purpose. Number one, meditation. Meditation will allow you to calm your nervous system. It will allow you to get out of the space of creating thoughts that are negatively based, because it's calming your nervous system, is allowing you to tap into divine energy. It's resetting your mindset. So when you connect with divinity, you'll notice that the negative thoughts will lessen. Your reactions to things that are going on in everyday life, like traffic jams, for example, you won't be so reactive to them. You will be in a state of calm. And the longer that you meditate, the longer the duration of the calm lasts. So if you meditate for a year and you meditate for, say, 15, 20 minutes every day, then that state of mind will endure with you throughout the day longer and longer for longer periods of time. And so it really, there's no downside to meditating. It improves your memory. There are so many health benefits associated with it, but the spiritual benefits are amazing. And of course, it's really key in calming your mind, calming those negative thoughts, and level setting your emotions so that you're not transmitting or automatically defaulting to these negative mindsets. And so another thing that you can do is scripting. And so scripting is actually writing down positivity. So what you intend to see in your life, you can actually write it down, and you can connect with the page, connect with the energy of becoming and stepping into those realities and bringing those things from inwardly to outwardly, right? Into your real world. So that is closely associated. It's just another way of doing the visualization technique. So when you visualize, you're going to sit, perhaps after meditating. So after you meditate, go ahead and sit for about 10 more minutes, and you're going to actually play a mind movie of the experience that you want to experience, and you'll play it out, or the thing that you want to experience. You'll bring in the sensory elements of it. So imagine yourself feeling it, seeing it, smelling it, being with it, or her or him, if it's a person, or just visualizing yourself walking on that beach, entering your dream home, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. Imagine yourself having this really alive sensory experience with it, because the brain does not know the difference between what is imagined inside of here and what is experienced outside of here. All your brain knows is that the same quadrants that light up when you're actually having the experience, and it's been scientifically proven that those same quadrants will light up when you are rehearsing the experience in your inner mind by visualizing it with your eyes closed. The same parts of your brain are activated. So what is this doing? It's training your brain to say, You know, like if you have an abundance scenario, it's training your brain to say, oh, I get it. We're bringing in abundance. Let's show this person more of that vibration, right? So these are the basics to understanding manifestation, how it works, a little bit about law of attraction in there because it's so key to understanding like who we are at our core. People, we are divine beings. That's the whole reason why I named this channel Spark Being. We are sparking it up. We have a little breath of the divine inside of us. And so we too are the part of divinity. We too are co-creators in our experience. So really step into that, really lean into that. And I just invite you to leave me comments below. Hopefully this was really helpful to you. If you got any glimmer of information or any inkling of anything that was valuable to you, leave it below in the comments. Hit that like button and also subscribe. I'd love to have you back again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Namaste.